Hello everyone, I am TJ06. So today I am making crispy and egg sandwich. How to make an egg sandwich? The ingredients are 2 eggs, butter, salt, pepper, bacon, bread, cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. First let's prepare our eggs, and we now add 2 eggs, salt and pepper. We stir until completely blended that. Next, batter one side of the bread. Then we coat our bacon first. Let's make this extra crispy. After that, we separate a little butter and add eggs. Please spread butter side up. Once the eggs are cooked, we now flip it. We float egg on the bread and flatten this out. Finally, we now add our filling. Bacon, mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. There is a final result. I think it's so delicious. Thank you for watching.
Hey everyone, I'm TGA15. Today I'm going to talk about how to make a sandwich. What do we need to do a sandwich? Ingredients: soft-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, cheese, sauce, bread, and pepper. Step 1. Boil the eggs for 8 minutes. First, you need to boil the eggs. After that, you need to Step 2. After that, you need to mash the eggs. Step 3. Add some ingredients. Next, add mayonnaise, mustard, cheese, sauce, and pepper and stir it. Step 4. Time for spread batter. Then spread batter on the bread. Step 5. Spread the filling. After that, spread the filling with you stirred before. Step 6. Cut it, and then you can cut it as you like. Finally, you can have delicious egg sandwich. Thank you for listening. Have fun with your egg sandwich.
Hello everyone, my name is TDFS-Grade8. Now talking about egg sandwich. The ingredients are white bread, 2 eggs, salt, pepper, butter, and golden cheese. First, in a bowl, poach 2 eggs and add a little salt and pepper. Stir everything thoroughly. Then, stir the batter on 2 slabs of bread. After that, add the bacon to the head. Put and coat until that is cooked. After that, heat the pan and add the batter, then add the fat one, and push 2 slabs of batter bread on it. Flat it over and top with golden cheese and mozzarella. Slide 2 slabs of bread the cut in half and enjoy a delicious egg sandwich.
Hello everyone, I'm DGA31. As for what I will take about today, how to make a sandwich. Bread, mayonnaise, loaded egg, apple cider vinegar, salt, crust, Dijon mustard, and white pepper. Loaded eggs, mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, salt, white pepper, Dijon mustard. This is mayonnaise, loaded egg, apple cider vinegar, salt, crust, Dijon mustard, and white pepper. Materials are mixed. This is a sandwich. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone.